What's up, guys? Back again. Happy Sunday. It's CVO Trades. We're gonna look at the SPX and the Nasdaq because I think this is an important update. So the last update I had, I was bullish, but that quickly got invalidated, or at least I think it did now. And I want to talk about why I flipped to bearish. So I mean, it happens. I just wanted to have a bullish alternative out there, but it doesn't look likely. Let me see if I can find the chart. First of all, let's just look at a monthly time frame. So SPX, let's see. So if we just purely look at it, right? None of this action looks bullish to me. This is no count, just TA. So if you look at it, you can see what 45.37 is a major point of control, and right now there's no acceptance above. When you draw the fib, it lines up exactly with 618, and it got rejected and we closed back beneath. And the fact that we're below these last two monthly closes / opens at 43.67, it's not a good look, right? If we close below this, then it's going to open the door to lower prices. Let's see if we can, yeah, I mean, if you look at it, it looks like a textbook head and shoulders, right? So the reason why I was bullish last week, or at the beginning of last week, was because I thought I could do something like this, but when in retrospect, when I looked at it, let me see if I can find. Where's my object overlay? Was it not this one? Okay, I think it was this one. I thought there was a better respected channel somewhere on here. Yeah, I guess we'll use this. So this is a pitchfork from 1 and 2, and it looks like a perfect back test, right? And then we're just capitulating. But from a count perspective, if we purely look at it, let me see if I can make this easier. Yeah, I just don't. It just lost so much market structure, and when you begin to lose market structure and you start closing below these EMAs, you're having these EMA crossovers. It's just not a good look, right? Look at it, just rejected, and we're headed lower. So also, none of this is financial advice. It's just my thoughts on the market. And if I was to put a count on it, this is my count. So this is from the low. Maybe this is the 1-2, like it ends here, and then some kind of flat. But for now, I have it as this, the 1-2, and then 3-4, and then 5, and now we're working on a cycle completion or a cycle correction. This is either 1 or A, 2 or B, and we're working down. Right, so what does it look like? Sorry guys, I just want to see something real quick. maybe I can pull up my tweet that I have my thoughts better organized. Yeah, this just highlighted what I already said, blah, blah. All right, yeah, okay, sorry about that. So yeah, so how can we derive this? So let's invert it. So here it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, expanded flat. Okay, I think we can take out this alternate for now. And I'll just delete this. So we put a 1 and a 2. So let's draw our channels for the 1, 2. 1. Sorry, I do better when it's inverted. Okay, so this is our channel. This is our channel. I don't know if you can use the wicks or the candle closes. It doesn't. It's whatever suits you. Let's delete that. Do this bullish divergence. Take out this, and then okay, voila, it should be a little bit cleaner. So now on a lower time frame, did we already put a 1, 2 in? You can count it that way. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Like this. What is it? Minor? Is it minor? Minor. Yeah, maybe it's minor or minute. We don't know yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Expanded flat. 2, and we're getting these really. The thing that's throwing me off is that we're getting these shallow. Oh, I guess it's not shallow. It's a 0.5 retracement. So yeah, this might be a long video as I work through the count, but I wanted to push it out. So yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 looks like A, B, C, and then I do better this way. And then let's say we do it like this, something like that. We might get an extension in the third, but or the fifth, or maybe both. And then from the way it's looking like, I think lower. With the way earnings are, or a lot of earnings, tech earnings especially, are next week. So it's probably going to accelerate this down hard. And then with the way Bitcoin is looking like, it's probably a precursor of what's going to happen. I think any pullbacks, any bounces are for shorting. Basically short, I would be shorting around, and this is not financial advice, it's just my thoughts. I'd be shorting around 43, 38, any touch of the daily 8 EMA, daily 21 EMA, or this 244. So, but if this is a wave 3, it needs to rip out of this channel. If it's not, and it wants to turn to an ABC, then C wave should be, the 1-to-1 is around 39, so we can mark that here. And then these are some of the targets. Okay, if we touch 35.76, then it's almost ultimate confirmation that we're in a bear market / recession. Okay, so that's SPX. That's why I think it's gonna happen. I want to check VIX real quick. Yeah, that is not good. So it had a false breakdown, and then it came back up and broke out. That's what a fake out by those market makers. They need to know we're watching. All right, so 24 was the major point of control, and now that we're above it, it looks like it caught back the EMAs. This looks like a 1, 2, and then now we're just gonna rip higher. Let's look at this. Yeah, it's probably gonna pull back around 32, consolidate, and go for 37.25. But that's probably the biggest daily VIX candle. Does that count it today? No, it's not open yet. But yeah, it's one of the biggest daily candles I've seen on VIX. That's a lot of strength. Is there? Oh yeah, there's no volume, but yeah, that's not good for bulls. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's go to QQQ. Maybe, do I have the counts on here? Nope, I do not. Or maybe NQ1. Damn, which one? Which one was it? It just has so many. Okay, this is NQ1. This is my count. Obvious head and shoulders going on. And the reason, so this yellow count was my primary, that's why I was bullish, but I don't like how we're breaking this. I mean, there's still a chance it can be like this 1-2, but I highly doubt it. Yeah, it broke out of the channel and it back tested, rejected. Try to back test it again and rejected. And then this move looks very sus. It looks like a 3-wave. I'm gonna delete the alternate for now. I just delete these drawings. So when you flip it, let's draw our channel again. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So beginning of 1, that's 2. So this is our new channel, our new counter trend. Let me make this green or something. Yeah, just to differentiate. Okay, so now we have our nice channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy, obvious 5-wave impulse to the downside. You get an ABC up. What's it, 0.5, I'm guessing? Oh wow, 618. That's obvious. Damn, I should have short. That's like textbook. Okay, so we got that. Let's delete this. We can delete this. So now what are we working on? So now I think this is Meyer degree. Let's turn to Meyer. We'll call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or an impulse, that means 3 needs to rip out of this damn channel. All right, like this. Possible back test and then fucking die. I guess I didn't map out my levels for below. Red line is confirmation of a bear market. So let me put some. I didn't market these levels yet. I'll probably have better levels later. Just because I don't think this has the most price history. Yeah, it doesn't. So I'll have to look at it a little bit later. But judging from just pivots and points of control, it looks bad. If we're in an impulse, then look for 3 to rip out of this around to test 10.9 and then maybe back test and go for 9,800. If we're in an ABC, then it's gonna look like this. I'll put that as the secondary. Delete this. Try to make it as clean as possible for you guys. Shit, god damn it. Where is it? Trend base whip. 1, 2. Okay, so the 1 to 1 be right here. Yep, looks good to me. And then lower time frame, what are we looking at? Lower time frame 1, 2. It can be. This one's kind of hard because it looks different than the SPY. This can be a 1, 2, and then this is a 3, 4, and then we're working on 5, or maybe, or is it like this where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we already put the 1, 2. So that's the only concern I have. I'm not sure which way it is, but I'm gonna lean that it's this, because with the way the volume is increasing, I'm leaning this way. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. minute degree. This is minor, right? Yeah. Wave 3 targets. I think it's gonna go for red line. Yeah, it looks bad. So that's NQ. That's NQ. And when we touch red line, I would turn ultimate bear, ultimate confirmation, and then all you bulls, I keep counting this as a wave 4. You guys can't argue against it anymore because that's the wave 1. You can call this a 1-2 if you want, but I highly doubt it. And by 1-2, here, let me explain to you what I'm talking about. God, it's so annoying just to see these stupid ass counts. But people are calling this 1, 2. Basically, they're saying that this is also a 1-2, which is so absurd. It's absolutely absurd. You got this is what they're calling it. You're just doing things that you want to see, but you're not respecting what's actually happening. All right, and I think I have. I'm pretty sure I have the macro somewhere. Is this my macro? Yeah, here's my macro. Right, it subdivides pretty clean. So again, the red line 12K. Yeah, that's when ultimate confirmation. But don't be surprised to see very low prices. So just consider your risk. And yeah, I wanted to push out the update. 17 minutes on the video, so I mean, sure, we can go over some stocks and see what kind of clues we can get. So what's that one that tanked Netflix. So let's look at Netflix. So what? I mean, you can try to play the bounce. You can try to, and then what I thought was premature was that I thought, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought this was the 1, and that we're gonna come up for 2, but we didn't. And this was actually the 1. That's a 2. We were 3, and then this is the 4, and then we finished. Well, we're finishing up 5. I think this should hold for a bit. I'm not sure. It's a pretty bad candle. Like, anyone that's calling this a wave 4, you can just automatically disregard it. That's impossible. There's no fucking way it's a wave 4. All right, but if we use Netflix as a precursor / indicator / clue or whatever to earnings on other stocks, then what does that mean? So if that's a wave 4, then maybe this is a wave 4, and Facebook is working on wave 5. And then what are some other ones? Square, it's the same thing. Backtest the channel, and then we come down for wave 5, right? And just use these clues. So here, let's just run. I got time today. Let's just run through it. Where is it? Where's my stock channel? Oh, equities. Duh. So if you look at Apple, I think you can make the argument that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you can make that argument for some kind of expanding diagonal, and then this is the ABC up, and then now it's gonna die. When's earnings? April 28th. Yeah, would not surprise me. Amazon, yeah, I mean, same thing. Oh, I bet so. It's 764, 618. Close enough. 618. Lower. It just looks like shit, man. I don't know what else to tell you. ARC, You touch this red line, confirm bear market, automatic. Let's see. Oh damn, Bitcoin's nuking. I'll do a separate video on that in probably an hour or something. Chewy. Yeah, just yeah. What if this was the case like that? It would be pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I don't know. You break out so much market structure. Like what can really happen? Coin. I thought the fifth was done, or I thought the move was like the initial move was finished, but maybe it's gonna extend. Crowd, man, this one looks like a good short setup. Either one, oh man, it's not looking good for bulls. And indeed, Datadog, this is definitely getting cracked. Yeah, you can disregard this count. This is probably, it's probably like this. Disney. Then this is probably Jesus. The thing is, if this is only the A wave, it doesn't. And I think it's the only the A wave. It doesn't make sense if this is the C wave because it's so deep. I mean, I guess it's fine on linear, but yeah, the thing is, if it's only in the A wave, then it has to be a flat. It has to be like that, or because it can't go. If it goes any lower, it's just what is it gonna go? It's gonna make new lows. You can't have a wave 2 making new lows. So unless this whole thing is an ABC. I've been trying to tell people, but I mean, what do I know? We already went over Facebook. Google is gonna look like shit. Yeah, it looks like shit. Like, what part of this looks bullish? There's what is? I don't understand. Let's see. Mara already tweeted this. This is so bad. It's probably gonna see like single digits very quickly soon. Microsoft is probably gonna drag everything down too on earnings on tomorrow. 26. Okay, Tuesday. You can definitely count. Oh my god, yeah, you can definitely count that. Yeah, a lot. It's gonna hurt for a lot of people. A lot of people are just so used to the Fed helping and like a good bull market. They're gonna get slapped in the face, and then oh my god, and then you look at MU. Yeah, it just looks terrible. Absolutely terrible. Shit, Nasdaq's already open. Any good bounces are for shorting, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Piton. New low. Oh my god. Like, what is that? All market structure is broken right now. Riot probably gonna test. It wouldn't surprise. I would think it's gonna go to $1.77. Roku, yeah, this. I don't even. This count's probably wrong. I don't even know what. so much market structure is broken. The thing is, it's so weak, it doesn't even get a good retrace to short it. Shop dead. This just looks like that's a 3. Looks like it extended. Yeah. A double rollover on Snap. What even is this? Oh, the gap. It was like a 70% gap up. Yeah, I remember now. Snow, like what, what, where does the account start? Where do you start making a new impulse, man? Insane. Absolutely insane. I don't know how this is gonna affect people's lives. Like, people are gonna lose their jobs. I don't know how it's gonna be able to be recovered. Tesla, yeah, this is gonna probably hurt the most. Definitely, you can count it easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a 1, and then you can just say this is the 2. And then, I mean, just look at it. Like, it lost all trend lines. It's about to lose a 244 DMA. When it does that, then it's a game over. TSM. Yeah, it's bad. I just don't know how anyone can be bullish in this environment. Like, yeah, you want to be the contrarian and be like, oh, because everyone's bearish, then we're gonna rip up higher. But I mean, look at the market structure. Everything's broken. How do you recover that? That's the market update, guys. Sorry that took a while. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and sub, and stay safe out there. It's gonna be a bloodbath.